Hello again, class, and welcome to week 5. Wow, it's been quite a ride, hasn't it? Now what happens? Now that you know what critical thinking is all about, it's up to you to continue the process and to keep using the skills you've learned to solve problems large and small. We have barriers to overcome, research to complete to determine the credibility of messengers and the reliability of messages. And we need a structured approach, like the 5-step model, to address and solve problems. The authors of our textbooks clearly explain how the benefits of critical thinking outweigh the time it takes to make the process a way of life. This week, we will reflect back on the lessons we've learned and see how these can be applied to your everyday life. We will focus on developing a strategy to use critical thinking in the future. Our reading this week is Chapter 17 of Critical Thinking, Chapter 15 of Thinking, and Chapter 12 of Thinking Critically. Self-reflection is an important part of critical thinking. We often look back to see what worked, what didn't work, and what we could have done better. Don't become stuck looking backwards, but use this as a tool to propel yourself forward, to become an advanced critical thinker. The possibility is all within you. Beware of falling back into your old habits and ways of thinking. Let the new you shine through. As always, participation in class discussion is important. Let's use this week to acknowledge how far we've come and to support each other in moving ahead. There is a paper due this week in which you will reflect on what you have learned and experienced throughout the course and how you can continue to learn and grow as a critical thinker. The Week 5 Gamescape simulation will bring you face to face with the puppeteer as it captures Dr. X. You will need to call upon all your knowledge that you've learned so far to rescue Dr. X. Remember, no late assignments will be accepted for this course. You need to post everything by midnight on Monday, the last day of our class. So we're moving on. As you reflect back, identify any concepts that might be fuzzy or topics you would like to discuss further. You all have done a great job so far, and I look forward to our final week. Congratulate yourself on how far you've come, and I'll see you in class. Ask yourself, am I a better critical thinker now than I was 5 weeks ago? I'll bet you are.